Honorable Director Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the respected teachers and all my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. Myself Shreya Singh, Arvind Standard 9, and today is the performance of Greenhouse as well as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel House. So I am standing here for calling the anchor. The anchor is Muskan. Please come forward. So give a big clap for her.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Muskan Mari. I reading class 6. My hobby is play badminton. My aim is to be doctor. Now I am standing for ranking. So first of all, I like to call Pooja for thought. Please come near the mic. So put hands together for her.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Pooja, student of HSF in BBC Public School. Now standing up for third.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Rishabh Kumar, class 3, section B. I am standing here for knowledge. 100% pure oxygen cannot be breathed in it as harmful. Thank you. Good morning to all of you. My name is Kumar. Reading class 2. My standing for English book reading. The name is our regular festival. Festival is defined as an event for the purpose of celebration. India is a country of many regulars and many kinds of regulars. People live in India. People of different regulars celebrate different festivals. Therefore, it is said that India is the land of festivals. The festival in which are based on different regulars are regular festivals. Some of the regular festivals are listed below. Thank you very much. Call Sivam for Hindi speech. So put your hand together for him.
Honorable Director, Sir, Principal Ma'am, Academic Staff, all teachers and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. Myself Shivam Sani, I read class 6. My hobby is playing cricket. I want to be a cricketer. Now I'm standing here for Hindi speech. जीवन का सर्वाधिक महत्वपूर्ण विद्यार्थी का जीवन है. यह समय प्रत्येक के जीवन में अवश्य आता है. यही वह समय है कि जिसमें हम अपने लक्ष्य को पूरा करके के लिए प्रयत्न कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.
Honorable Director Sir, respected academic in charge, all teachers and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. Myself Shama, I class 3rd. My hobby is playing Ludo and I want to IAS officer. Now I am standing here for English speech about student life. The student life is very important in one's life. This time can also be called the golden age because the person's future is depend on it. It is during this time that a person's character is formed. A child does not have much understanding in a small class. He learning slowly word lines. Student life is time when there is no burden of human suffering. There is no burden on him at this age. He only cares about himself. He also has plenty of time. Thank you. Have a nice day. Pinky Kumari from class 3 for poem. So put hand together for her. Honorable Director, respected teachers and friends. Good morning to all of you. My name is Pinky Kumari. I am in class 3. My hobby is play badminton. I wanted to be doctor. I am standing here for English poem. I am running because I am wanting to run. I am not in a hurry. I am running for fun. I am crossing a field. I will run in the run. I will run in the sun. That no keep still. I will run. Thank you all of you. Hello for class 4 for Sanskrit sloks. So put your hand together for her. Honorable Directors are respected academic in charge, all teachers and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. Myself, Amsa Yadav, student of Institute 4. I am to be ISF sir. I am learned to be Now I am standing here for slok. उद्मेलिः सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथे नहि शुक्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगा नमन्ति फलिनो वृक्षा नमन्ति गुणिनो जना शुक्षुभिक्षा मूर्खस्य न नमन्ति कदाचन पुस्तकस्य तु या विद्या परहस्रगतं धनं कार्यकाले समुत्पन्ने नाशा विद्या न तैर्धनं काकः कृष्णः पिकः कृष्ण को भेदा पिक काकयो वसन्ति समये प्राप्ते काकः काका पिका पिका. Thank you. Thank you. Next I like to call the dance for. So
come forward so put your hand together for him.
To all of you, my name is Divyanshu Kashyap. I reading class 4th. I want to be an army officer. I am standing here 4th place. So all his friends, raise your right hand and say after me. India is my country. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and very heighted. I shall always strive to be happy. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all later respect to everyone be courtesy. To my country and my people, and place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity and all life happiness. Thank you.
Next, I like to call Rani for GK quiz. So please come near the front. Honorable Director, sir, respected academic judge, all teachers, and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. My first question goes to Red House. भारत के रक्षा मंत्री कौन है? राजनाथ सिंह. The right answer is Shri Rajnath Singh. My second question goes to Green House. भारत के गृह मंत्री कौन है? Stand together for both of you. Next, I like to call Sakiba Parveen for news headlines. So please come forward. So put your hand together for her.
Directors, principal, and teachers, and all dear friends. Good morning to all of you. Myself Sakiba, student of standard 6 in BBC Public School. My hobbies play karate, MS to be separate. Now I'm standing here for news headlines. दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल ने आज दिल्ली के विधानसभा में केंद्र सरकार पर हमला किया। उन्होंने कहा कि सेवा में मामलों पर अध्यादेश इसलिए किया गया क्योंकि थैंक यू।
Come on the stage. So put your hand together for him.
Honorable Director Sir, Managing Director Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, Academic Charge Sir, all teachers and my lovely children. Good morning. आज मैं आप लोगों को एक ऐसा कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। उस कविता को मैंने कहीं से सुना है और मुझे अच्छा लगा। पुराने ज़माने में कुछ जो चीज़ें हुआ करती थी वो धीरे धीरे विलुप्त हो रही है हमारे समाज से। उसी पर एक कविता है जो मैं आप लोगों को सुनाना चाहता हूँ। मुझे आशा है कि आप लोग को अच्छा लगेगा। बातों में कुछ बातें, चीज़ों में कुछ चीज़ें देख नहीं पाओगे, 21वीं सदी में ढूंढते रह जाओगे, ढूंढते रह जाओगे। क्या नहीं देख पाओगे भाई? बच्चों में बचपन, जवानों में यौवन, शीशे में दर्पण, जीवन में सावन, गांव में अखाड़ा, शहर में सिंघाड़ा, टेबल की जगह पहाड़ा और पैजामे में नाड़ा, देखते रह जाओगे, देखते रह जाओगे। और भी चीजें हैं, क्या क्या? आंखों में पानी यानी लज्जा नहीं, आंखों में पानी, आंखों में पानी, दादी की कहानी, प्यार के दो पल और नल नल में जल, संतों की वाणी, कर्ण जैसा दानी, घर में मेहमान और मनुष्यता का सम्मान। पड़ोसियों की पहचान,